Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Foster Clark's cream caramel. First, gather your Foster Clark's cream caramel mix, milk, and sugar. You'll also need to prepare your molds or ramekins. Make sure all your ingredients are at room temperature. This helps achieve a smooth, consistent texture. We'll start by preparing the caramel sauce, then move on to the custard base. It's a simple process that yields a delightful dessert. Now, let's get that delicious caramel ready. Take the caramel sachet from your Foster Clark's mix and empty its contents into the bottom of your molds. Gently tilt each mold to ensure the caramel spreads evenly, creating a nice coating. Once the caramel is distributed, set these molds aside. This allows the caramel to cool slightly and firm up while we prepare the creamy custard that will go on top. Next, we'll prepare the custard. In a saucepan, combine the Foster Clark's custard powder with the specified amount of milk. Whisk this mixture continuously over medium heat. Keep stirring until it thickens to a smooth, creamy consistency. Once thickened, carefully pour the hot custard over the caramel layer in your prepared molds. Be gentle to avoid disturbing the caramel base. This step is crucial for a perfect set. After pouring, let your cream caramel cool slightly, then refrigerate it for at least 3 hours or until it's completely set. Chilling is key for that perfect firm texture. When you're ready to serve, carefully run a knife around the edge of each mold, then invert it onto a plate. The caramel will beautifully cascade over the custard. For more great tips and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers voice control and self-emptying, check the description for the link and other deals. Enjoy your homemade dessert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.